myself Rohit Chauhan. I am from Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech from electrical from MIT Bammu University, and I have joined this course of PLC programming, HMI programming, SCADA programming, and I have searched more than 5 to 6 institute, but I find this one of the best of the institute. So I have learned firstly of Siemens. In Siemens I have learned firstly I've learned the family, catalog, addressing, and more things, and then I have learned how to build a logic, then how to communicate. Firstly I have communicate PLC to SCADA, PLC to HMI, PLC to VFD, and for third party communication. And I have learned on also other PLCs, Allen Bradley and Mitsubishi, Delta, different types of PLC I have learned. And I have learned in VFD also, VF drive, Siemens drive, ABB drive, and how to communicate between PLC to VFD with Profinet, Modbus TCPU, and yeah. And I have completed my this course for Softwell Automation under the RSR and Bhavesar with good guidance and support. And thank you for giving me a good placement in Green Automation. Thank you for such a support, and thank you to the institute for providing this much of support.